Well, hey guys, how's everybody doing today? It has been quite some time since I've done a ride video, and this is really just a test. I'm on the Moab bike, and it's, like I said, it's been such a long time since I've used all these programs, all these apps together for filming and the voice recording, that I just want to make sure I still understand what it is I'm doing. Sorry for any noise. I'm putting the helmet on. Alright, let's see if the bike will fire up. I do not have license plates on it right now, so I can't go too far. I do have all the gear on it to kind of give me an idea of what it's going to feel like to ride it with this weight. I wish I knew where there was a place to had a scales that I could roll this thing up to and kind of get an idea of what it does weigh. Let's see, let's make sure my lights are on. Yeah, I believe they are. Shut my mask here. This isn't going to be much of a ride, just buzz around a couple blocks here. Yeah, just going in a straight line, it doesn't feel a whole lot different than just riding a bike. I did not turn on my GPS speedometer, and I can't see the speedometer on the bike. Not that it would be that accurate anyway. Warm up, baby. Okay, that's enough stop signs. Got a little bit of a bog when you first hit the throttle. I don't know if it's not warmed up fully or if I need to make a couple adjustments. All right, like I said, I don't have a license plate, but bike's not insured or anything yet. But kind of pulled the front end up a little bit when I hit it for the second gear. Oh yeah, she runs pretty decent. I'm actually going to swing around here. It's not too bad. The weight doesn't shift or you know what? That's not bad at all. Well, guys, I know that wasn't very exciting. Just a short little rip today. It's about 45 degrees. I think tomorrow I will head out and we will do a probably close to a 60-mile ride. I want to check the fuel mileage and just do a little bit of a shakedown run. So I guess I will see you guys tomorrow when we ride it a little bit farther and see how it goes. Thanks for following along, guys. See ya.